these three bits. Then think, discuss, and write. There is something called as think, discuss, and write in your textbook. It says discuss with your friends about rounding off numbers for 10,000 places. 10,000 place. Say like we have 19,000. So the nearest 10,000 to 19,000 is obviously 20,000. Then say uh, 48,000. So the nearest 10,000 for this is 50,000. It can be rounded off to 50,000. 40,000 is far away from this number. Now let it be like say 33,000. So 3,000 less will be 30,000. So this you discuss with your friends. You think on your own furthermore. Next, in this section 1.4 revision of place value. Place values, if we go back a little bit for your general understanding, this is 1, 2, 1 is 21, 3, 2, 1 is 321. This was a single digit number, this was two digit number, this is tens place, then this is hundreds place. Three digits make 100. Then we have 4,321. We have 54,321. Now this is a big number for you, 6,54,321. This is a 6-digit number. We have already learned how to expand a number using place value. Recall how you expand a 2-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit number. The first question in this is expand 64. You can understand from reading itself 60. It has 6 tens plus 4 ones. That becomes 64. 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. 6 into 10 plus 4 into 1 is equal to 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. Second question in that series, expand a 3-digit number 325. By reading it, we can make out 325. 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1, that is 300 plus 20 plus 5, that is equal to 325. Now coming to the third bit. In this series we have a 4-digit number, expand 5078. 5078. Expand 5078. This is 5,000. 5 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. That is 5,000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 8, that is equal to 5078. Then the last one in this series, fourth and last one in this series, expand a 5-digit number 29500. It is 29,500. It is 29,500. 00, that is tens. Ones place and tens place, there is nothing. Zeros are there. We go directly to 500. It is 9,500. Now it is 29,500. So we can write it as 29,500. So we have 10,000 into 2 plus 9,000 2 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 0 into tens plus 0 into 1. So that is 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 0, 0 plus 0, that is equal to 29,500. Next in this series on page number 5, it is asking us to do something. Do this. Now expand the numbers as given in the example. First one is shown for you. First one is shown for example. It is 21,504. So it is 2 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 0 into tens, 0 into 10 plus 0 plus 4 into 1. That is 20,000 plus 1,000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 4. That is equal to 21,504. Next in the series is 38,400. Similarly, 3 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. That gives us 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 0. The result is 38,400. Third in the series is 77,888. So it is 7 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 8 into 1. We have here 70,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 8. That obviously the result is 77,888. The next one in the series is 20,050. We have 2 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 0 into 1. So the result is 20,000 and the result is 20,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 50 plus 0. Then the result is 20,050. And we have one more number to be expanded here, that we'll do here. The last number in this series is 41,501. It is 41,501. 4 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 1 into 1. That gives us 40,000 plus 1,000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 1. So we have 41,501. That completes our expansion work. Then we'll go on to begin the exercise 1.2 chapter 1 knowing our numbers. Let's begin the exercise 1.2 page number 5 chapter 1 knowing our numbers. The first question, round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Remember, nearest 10. The first bit 89, the nearest 10 is 90. The second bit 415, the nearest tens, it can be 410 or it can be 420 because 5 is in between 10 and 20 in the center, so it can be 410 or it can be 420. Then the third bit 3951, it is 3951, so the nearest 10 is 3950. 51, if we subtract or if you remove 1, it becomes 50. Then the fourth bit in this series 4409, we need to add 1 to make it 4410. The second question in this exercise, round off the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. It is asking us to round it off to the nearest hundreds. The number is 695, that is 695. The nearest hundred is obviously 700. If we add 5, it becomes 700. The next in the series is second bit 36152. That is 36,152. It is 52. So the nearest 152, the nearest 100 is 200. That is 36,200. Then the third question 13648. It is 13,648. 48 is near to 600. 648 is near to 600 rather than near to 700. It is farther from 700. So we need to subtract that 48 from 13,648 to make it 13,600. Now the fourth bit in the second question is 93,618. It's a 5-digit number. 93,618. You can see after 100 there are 18 numbers and we need to add 82 to make it 700. So we will rather subtract 18 to make it 93,600. So it is actually near to 600 and farther to 700. Now going to the third question in this exercise, round up the following numbers to the nearest thousands. It is asking us to round up the following numbers to the nearest thousand. The first question in this first bit in this third question is 3415. That is 3,415. So if we remove 415, it becomes 3,000. It is near to 3,000 and farther away from 4,000. Second bit 70,124. Again, if we simply remove 124, it becomes 70,000. It's a 5-digit number. Then the third bit in this third question 8,765. 8,765 is near to 9,000 and farther away from 8,000. You can see it is 765. It is just we need to add another 235. If we add 235 to 8,765, it becomes 9,000 rather than subtracting 765. Think it like if you are away from some destination, some point, 235 steps, then you can reach that 235 steps to that destination easily than these coming back 765 steps. So the last bit in the third question is 4,001. Just removing that one solitary one, it becomes 4,000. It is very near to 4,000. Now the fourth question, write the numbers in short form. First bit 3,000 plus 400 plus 7. So it's simply 3407. So there is no number, it's 0 in the tens place, so we have 3407. Second bit, we have 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 1. So we have 10,000. So we have this 1 of 10,000. Then we have 2,000. So it is actually 12,000. 10,000 plus 2,000 is 12,000. So we have 12 here. Then at hundreds place we have 3 here, 300. Then we have 5 at the tens place, 50. So 5. Then we have 1 in the units place or ones place. So that number what we get adding up 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 1 is 12,351. Third bit in fourth question, 30,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 5. So we have 30,000, 3 of 30,000. There is no number in the thousands place, so we will take this 30 as it is. We have 30,000, then we have 500, then we have 20 at tens place, so 2 of that 20 will take. Then at units place we have 5, so the number what we get is 30,525. It's a 5-digit number. Then the last and fourth bit in fourth question is we have 90,000 plus 9,000. We have 9,000 at the thousands place, 90,000 in 10,000 place. Then we have 90 at tens place. We don't have, sorry, 900 at hundreds place. We have 90 at tens place, and we have 9 at units or ones place. So the number what we get is 99,999. It's the largest 5-digit number. So that completes our fourth question in the exercise 1.2. We have one more question left. So the last and fifth question in the exercise 1.2 of our first chapter, knowing our numbers. The question is write the expanded form of the numbers. Fifth question, first bit is 4348. It is 4,348. We have 4 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Then we have 4,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8, that is equal to 4,348. Second question, second bit, we have 30,214. We don't have any number in the thousands place. We have 30 in the tens thousands place. So we have 3 into 10,000 plus nothing here. So we'll go to 2 into hundreds place, 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So we have 30,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4. We have 30,214. Then the third bit, it is 22,222. So 2 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 2 into 1. We have 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 2. We have 22,222. All twos. So the fourth bit in this series is, in this question, fifth question is 75,025. So we have 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. There is no number at the hundreds place. So we have 70,000 plus 5,000, that becomes 75,000 plus 20 plus 5. So we have 75,025. So that completes our exercise 2, exercise 1.2 from chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Now children, in the first chapter, knowing our numbers, going to the 1.5 part of it, page number 5, introduction of large numbers. Let's go back a little bit. The smallest single digit number is 0, but 0 in the left side, left place, 0 has no value. So the smallest single digit number we take it as 1, and the largest single digit number is 9. Similarly, the greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. All nines. It is 99,999. Now if we add 1 to this, it becomes 1 lakh. It becomes 1 lakh in decimal number system or Indo-Arabic number system. This is called 1 lakh. 1 lakh comes after 99,999, and it's the smallest 6-digit number. It is the first 6-digit number. Now, how many tens are there in 1 lakh? There are 10,000 tens are there in 10,000 tens are there in 1 lakh. 10,000 tens, 1,000 hundreds, 1,000 hundreds, and 100 thousands will be there. 100 thousands will be there in 1 lakh. Now let us take the number 3,15,645. 3,15,645. Again, this is a 6-digit number. In the expanded form, we have 3 into 100,000 or 3 into lakh, 3 into 1 lakh plus 10 into 10,000. 1 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. That is 3 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 5, that is 315, 3,15,645. It's a large number. It's a 6-digit number. Now turning to the next page, in the boxes, if we make it, we can write it as 3 lakhs, then 1 in the place of 10,000, then we have 5 in the place of 1,000 or thousands, then we have 6 in place of hundreds, then we have 4 in place of tens, and we have 5 in place of units or ones. So this is 3,15,645. So in the reverse order, we can say this number has 5 in ones place or units place, then we have 4 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, 5 in thousands place, 1 in 10,000s place, and 3 in lakhs place. We read the number as 3,15,645. Note, British English takes and between 100 and the other numbers. American English omits or leaves and between the thousand and hundred. Now read and expand the numbers as shown below. We'll do this exercise. Now let's do an exercise on the page number 6. In the table, we have numbers. We need to expand those numbers. It is 5 lakhs. So we have in the expanded form 5 into 1 lakh is 5 lakhs. It is read as FIVE 5 LAKH lakh. The second number in the series we have 4 lakh 50,000. 4 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000. It is 4 lakh and 50,000. 4 lakh and 50,000. Then the third number is 4 lakh 57,000. So we have 4 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000. So we have 4 lakh 57,000. Then we have 3 lakh 5,400. 3 lakh 5,400. If you find difficulty in understanding these numbers, begin reading it from the units numbers. We have units 10, 100. This is 400. You can understand. Then we have 5,400. Then there is 0 in place of 10,000. So we have the sixth digit number. It is 3 lakh 5,400. So we have 3 into 1 lakh plus we have nothing there in 10,000. So we have 5 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100. That is 3 lakhs. We write in words 3 lakh 5,400. HUDHUNDRED 100. 400. Then the next number is 3 lakhs 9,390. 3 lakhs 9,390. 0 90 90 390 390 9390 9,390. Then 0 in 10,000 place. So it is 3 lakhs 9,390. 3 into 1 lakh plus 9 into 1,000. 9 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 9 into 10. It is 3 lakh 9,390 NINETY 90. So that is the fifth number in the series. We have one more number 2 lakhs and 35. That we'll write in the top here. The last number in the table in the box we have 2000 and 35. Then here we have 5 3 5 35. There is 0 in hundreds place, 0 in thousands place, 0 in 10,000 place. We have 2 in the lakhs place. So we have 2 lakhs 35. It is 2 lakhs 35. We have 2 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10 plus 5 into 1. It is TWO2 LAKH lakh and THIRTY 30 FIVE 5. We have 2 lakhs and 35. That completes the box. All the questions in the box we have solved. Now write. It is asking you to write four more 6-digit numbers and ask your friend to read and expand them. What number would you get if all digits are nines in a 6-digit number? If all the digits are 9 in a 6-digit number, we get 9,99,999. Now let's write 5 more 6-digit numbers and expand them. Now we'll write 5 more 6-digit numbers and read them and expand them. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits here. We have 6, 5, 6, 56, 4, 5, 6, 456, 3,456, 23,456, and 1,23,456. The way to differentiate between hundred and thousands is we put a comma after 3 digits. That means that differentiates the thousands and 400s. It keeps apart the hundreds and thousands. Then we put another comma to differentiate or keep apart the thousands and lakhs. So this is 1,23,456. 1 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. So that is 1,23,456. It is 1,23,456. The next number, let it be, say 1,0,0,0,1. It is 1 lakh and 1. It is 1 lakh and 1. We have 1 here, 0 in tens place, 0 in hundreds place, 0 in thousands place, 0 in 10,000 place, and we have 1 in lakhs place. So this is 1 lakh and 1,000. So we have in the expanded form 1 into 1 lakh plus 1 into 1. So it is 1 lakh and 1. It is just 1 lakh and 1. Then we can go on to write another number. We have 5,959, 0 in hundreds place, 0 in thousands place, 0 in 10,000 place, and we have 7 in the lakhs place. That is, this number is 7 lakhs and 59. 7 into 1 lakh, then 5 into 10 plus 9 into 1. We have 7 lakh 50 FIFTY 50 and 9 9. 7 lakh and 59. Then the fourth number, another number, we'll write it as in the reverse order of the first number, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have 6,54,321. Expanded form, 6 into 1 lakh, then plus 5 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 1 into 1. We have 6 lakh 4,321. We wrote four numbers, four six-digit numbers, and expanded them, and we wrote them in words. You try to write one number, one six-digit number, large number on your own in your notebook, and try to expand it and write it in words. The next one in that series is, what number would you get if all digits are nines in a six-digit number? We have 9 here, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. We have 6 digits, and all the 6 digits are nines. 9, 999, 999, 9,999, 99,999, then 9,99,999. 9 is the largest single digit number, 99 is the largest two digit number, 999 is the largest three digit number, 9,999 is the largest four digit number, 99,999 is the largest five digit number. So all the digits are nines in a six digit number, that becomes the largest six digit number, that is 9,99,999. If we add 1 to this number, this becomes the smallest seven digit number. It becomes smallest seven digit number. It becomes 10 lakh. It becomes 10 lakh. It is called 10 lakh. It is the smallest seven digit number. So now observe the following pattern and complete it. Now let's observe the pattern and do a little bit of exercise. We know 9 is the largest single digit number. If we add 1 to the largest single digit number, we get 10. That is the smallest two digit number. And the largest two digit number is 99. And if we add 1 to it, we get the smallest three digit number. It is called 100. And the largest three digit number is 999. If we add 1 to it, we get the smallest four digit number. It is called 1000. And the largest four digit number is 9,999, and if we add 1 to it, we get the smallest five digit number. It is called 10,000. The largest five digit number is 99,999. If we add 1 to it, we get 1 lakh. And the largest six digit number is, the smallest six digit number is 1 lakh. What we have done that exercise just now, if you remember. So the largest six digit number is 9,99,999. If we read from other way, then 9, 99, 9999, 999, 9,999, 99,999, 9,99,999. If we add 1 to it, it becomes the smallest seven digit number. It is called 10 lakhs. It is called 10 lakhs. We have three zeros, two zeros, 5, 6, 7. This is the smallest seven digit number. It is called 10 lakhs. And the largest seven digit number is 99 lakhs 99,999. If we read from reverse, 9, 9999, 999, 9,999, 99,999, 9,99,999, 99,99,999. If we add 1 to it, it becomes the smallest 8 digit number, and in our Indo-Arabic number system or the decimal number system, it is called 1 crore. It is the smallest 8 digit number. How will you get the greatest 8 digit number? Simple as we have been doing here. Put all the nines. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 nines here. It is comma after 3 numbers, comma after 2 numbers, then comma after 2 numbers. Then this is 99 crores 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is actually 9 numbers. It was 9 crores 99,000 9 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. It is 9 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. We come across large numbers in many different situations. For example, area of our country is 32 lakhs 87,263 square kilometers. It is 32 lakhs 87,263 square kilometer. Reading it from here, 263, 6363, 263, 7,263, 87,263, 2 lakhs 87,263, 32 lakhs 87,263 square kilometers. Population of our state is, we have 533, 65,000, then 46 lakhs, 8 crores. Population of our state is 8 crores, 46 lakhs, 65,533. 333, 533, 5,533, 65,533, 6 lakh 65,533, 46 lakh 65,533, and 8 crores 46 lakh 65,533. These are 3 digits, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits number. It is a crore. Cost of school building. Cost of school building, agricultural production, distance between the planets, multiplication of 3-digit numbers with 3 or more digits are also in large numbers. By learning these large numbers, do you think Uma can understand the numbers taught by her teacher in the classroom? Yes, very well. She can understand.